Good morning. Hi, boy. Let's get you some breakfast, okay?
Augustus, what are you doing in the refrigerator? He's helping to clean out and reorganize the refrigerator. Took everything out and now it's going to get put back. He just woke up from a nap. And then he had a snack. And now he's helping Mommy. You're a good helper, huh? Yeah, you are.
Waterproof membrane, sweat is let out through these holes, and water can't get in. Tiox, the shoe that breathes. Available at Nordstrom and Nordstrom.com. See Tiox.com for details.
So, tell me in your own words a little bit about Geico.
About to go put you in. Strike! Good job.